Hi everyone. In this video I'm just going to be giving you a quick overview of the Luxor members area plugin. So I'm basically just going to show you how the plugin works and how it pretty much integrates into the backend area of the Luxor theme. So right now we're working off of the demo site. So this is the actual demo site that you see on Theme Forest, on Mojo Marketplace, on Creative Market, and also on Microthemes. This is the actual live demo site. And I'm just going to quickly jump into the account area here. Okay, and you'll notice here that we have our admin navigation right here. We have reports, property listings, manage account. We also have a submit a listing button, and we also have a search feature, so you can basically retrieve a property search or a property post by just by typing in its ID number. And you'll notice here that we are currently on our manage account page. So basically, to define these pages here, property listings, manage account, reports, this navigation here is mostly controlled through the members area plugin. So I'm just going to go to the back end here. I'm going to go to the members area. Okay, so these are the members area settings here. I guess I'll just quickly give you a quick overview of all the settings. The first setting we have here is the default registration role. So each new member that signs up to your site will have the standard member role assigned to their account. There's currently only one member role. We are planning on adding more member roles in a future update, but for now it's just a standard member. You also have the option to toggle email alerts for member account changes. So if any member in your database or registered in your system makes any changes to their account, such as personal information like name, phone number, address, you can actually have an alert sent to a specific administrator email address, and they'll be notified of any changes that they made to their account. So if you have this on, you're going to have to define an administrator email address. So in this case, I'm just going to assign our info account, info@microthemes.ca. You can also assign a custom logo URL. So you can actually, if you go to pages, you can actually specify your own logo page. Let's see if we have one set up here in this case. So we do have one specified here, logo. Right, so basically the logo page, you can write your own custom message if you want to. So, in this case, our messages you have successfully sent out of your account, and there's also a button that allows them to return back to the home page. So if I wanted to assign this particular page as my logo redirect, I could actually paste this right in here. Actually, sorry, the only thing we actually need is just the slug name of the page. So we have logo. Right, and the same goes pretty much for the rest of the pages, which will populate the backend area. So for members report template slug, we've assigned the reports slug, which is actually our reports page. So I'll just give you an example of this. So I'm just going to go to page 2. All right, so you'll notice here that we have a reports page set up. So this is the page that I want to assign to that reports field. Right, so all I need really is this field, is this value right here, which is the slug name of our page. So that's going to go in here, which is reports, which has already been populated. So all of these fields, for the sake of this video, have already been populated, and basically each of these slug names just refer to a page that have a particular members template assigned to it, right? So for the members account template, we have the manage account slug assigned to this field, and it even tells you down here that this value needs to match the slug name of the page that has the members account template assigned to it. Okay, and each field here will basically tell you which page and which template need to be assigned to this particular field. All right, so it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. It's nothing complicated here to get these pages populated. And you'll also notice that these slug names also reflect the admin navigation, right? So we have reports, we have property listings, and we have manage account. So if we go back to the members area, you'll see here manage account, reports, and property listings, right? So these slug names get automatically formatted in a readable format for the main navigation. And for the submit a listing link, this link will get activated once you populate the submit a listing field, right? So submit a listing. So this field here activates the submit a listing link, which shows up in the in the admin dashboard area. And here is our submit a listing page. Right, so we go back to manage account. You'll notice that the submit a listing link reappears. We'll go to property listings. Right, so currently this particular account does not have any properties assigned to it. But if you want to submit a listing, you can just go ahead and click submit a listing. So I guess I'll just quickly create a listing here. This is I'm just going to call this property test. Now you'll notice that when you try to submit a listing, certain fields are required to populate that property listing. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and just type in an address here. I'm just going to quickly put something in there. We want to define our sale type for our property, so I'm just going to do for rent, payment terms. I'm going to do, I guess I'll do monthly. Property status, available. Property category, we can do condos. And I'm just going to insert a monthly price of $1,500. So now I'm going to press submit property. And there you have it. So congratulations, your property has been submitted and is now live. Feel free to post a new submission. So I'm just going to click on the view property link here. This will jump me over to the actual property post on the front end. So you'll see that we currently don't have that much information assigned to this particular property post. But I'm just giving you a demonstration of how the submit a listing area works. Now, if you wanted to edit this listing, you would actually go to your property listings page. And down here, it'll actually retrieve your property. So again, we haven't assigned an image to this particular property, so you're just going to get an empty box here. But if you want to edit this, you can just click on the edit listing button. Right. So now we are in. Now we're on the edit page, and we can assign. We can upload. We can assign a carousel system to it. We can insert our Google Maps, our property images. We can insert more information. We can select our amenities. We can add property details in here, which has the full WordPress visual editor here, which is great. And that's it. And if you want to delete a property, you can also remove the property. You can delete it right here, quick and simple. Okay, property has been removed. Return to property listings. No properties are found, so that listing has been deleted. So that's really pretty much all there is to it. The backend area, is a pretty powerful system. You can upload, new properties. You can manage your account, and it's also fairly simple to set up and get it running. Basically everything's controlled through the members area settings page. And it's basically just a matter of creating your pages, assigning the appropriate templates to them, and then just defining your slugs and the members area plugin settings page. and that's really all about, and that's really all there is about, and that's really all there is to it. So it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And that's it. Or go to microthemes.ca, use our support forums if you have any questions, or if you're experiencing any issues with the members area. We'll be glad to help you guys out. And that's it. Thanks for watching.